Once again, thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing in New York. Here I have this is an Elna 945. This machine is an overlock machine. Also a combo cover stitch also at the same time. So it's a nice machine. It came in because it's giving you an error 1 right over here on the top of the screen. You know, usually when that happens, it has to do something with the power, or it could be that something is stuck inside the machine. So believe it or not, this machine, I open it up. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you exactly what I find out that was costing that machine to show you error number 1 on the screen. So when you turn on the machine, it would just pop up with error number 1. But I'm going to show you now. It wasn't bad at all. I have the machine apart, so I'm going to show you now. When you turn this machine on, each of the tension disc adjusted automatically depending on what settings you selected on the front. But there was a piece of thread stuck in there. Right in there, there was a little small piece of thread that when you turn on the machine, that gear wasn't turning, and that's what's costing to get an error code on the machine. But you know, to find out about it, I had to take the whole machine apart. You see, I took everything apart, opened up the whole machine, and slowly find out what happened. Now when I turn on the machine, see, the machine is perfectly working. There's no error code. I'm gonna put everything back together now. I'm gonna sew it off. I had to take everything apart, but you know, we're glad I got it. That small little piece of thread that I showed you before, right over here, stuck in between the gears. Not that much. It was just a piece of thread. Not that much stuck in between the gears here. And that was costing give it error on the machine. I just finished setting up the machine. I'm gonna make some stitches on it. I'm gonna show you. It looks great. So no more error number 1, okay? Robin from City Sewing New York, www.citysewing.com. Machine already finished it up. Look at that, nice. Nice, no more error code number 1 here like before. So everything, it's good to go. Nice.